I just came across this concept of bookmarks.txt, and it totally made me rethink how I save links.
Oh, really? What's so special about it? I mean, isn't saving links pretty straightforward?
It is, but this method uses plain text files. That means you can manage your bookmarks with any program.
Wait, so you can manipulate your bookmarks using scripts. That's actually pretty cool.
Exactly, and these bookmarks are separated by spaces, making it easy to add titles to URLs.
That's interesting. So you could have a URL without a title or with one. What's the benefit of that?
It helps categorize the bookmarks, like you can have a project-specific bookmarks.txt, which is super handy.
So, would you have a global file for general use, and then local ones for specific projects?
Exactly. Think of it as having your go-to sites in one place and relevant tools for each project in another.
I can see how that would streamline work, but how do you actually add a new URL?
You just run a simple script. For example, you type bin bookmarks https://example.com and boom.
That's super straightforward. You can even fuzzy search with FZF to find URLs more easily.
Yeah, it's like having a smart menu. You start typing and it narrows down your options.
I love that, but isn't this a bit limiting? What if I want more features down the line?
Good point. The creators only accept code contributions for bug fixes, nothing for new features.
So, if you wanted something like automatic tagging based on usage, that's not happening.
Not unless someone volunteers to implement that. It seems like they're cautious about maintenance.
That makes sense. But what if someone finds a really compelling use case for a new feature?
You'd have to submit an issue. It's a bit of a restriction, though it keeps things clear.
Right, like ensuring the tool remains lean and mean rather than bloated with features.
But I wonder if that approach misses out on innovation. Sometimes less is more, but...
Totally, but maybe there's a middle ground, like allowing community ratings for feature requests.
Oh, that's interesting. You could gauge interest before developing new features.
Exactly. It taps into the community without overwhelming the developers.
So if I get this straight, bookmarks.txt is flexible and simple, but kind of rigid at the same time.
Yeah, that's a balanced way to put it. I appreciate the simplicity, but I see the limitations.
Thinking about it, what if someone tried to create an open-source version that evolves with time?
I'm intrigued by that idea. An open-source bookmark system that adapts based on user feedback could be gold.
Right? Imagine the community-driven evolution. It would be so user-centric.
But then you have to maintain the project, or it might become a ghost project.
True, it's a balancing act, finding the right people to commit to ongoing maintenance.
It's like wanting to have your cake and eat it too. You want innovation, but it requires investment.
Exactly. I wonder how many other tools face this dilemma between simplicity and feature bloat.
Quite a few, I'd bet. It's a common tension in software design.
So with bookmarks.txt, maybe it's about finding the right fit for your workflow.
Definitely. It sounds great for some users, but might leave others wanting more.
This all makes me think, what's your current method for managing bookmarks?
I usually just rely on my browser's built-in options, but maybe it's time to rethink that.
You might find embracing bookmarks.txt refreshing. It could organize things in a new way.
I like the sound of that. Have you made the switch already?
I'm considering it. There's something appealing about that simplicity and flexibility.
Yeah, and the nostalgic feel of plain text files is honestly kind of nice too.
Right? It's digital minimalism at its best, leaving behind the clutter of modern tools.
And yet, at the same time, the allure of advanced features is hard to ignore.
Exactly, it's this constant tug-of-war. I think the key is finding what works for you.
Yes, bookmarking is so personal. How we choose to store information shapes our digital lives.
I love that perspective. It's not just about saves, it's about how we navigate the web.
So in the end, the way we manage bookmarks reflects our values and priorities online.